In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your microphone during a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're joining a meeting for the first time or you're already participating, knowing how to manage your microphone is essential for maintaining meeting etiquette and ensuring you're not accidentally broadcasting background noise. So let's dive right into it and explore how you can do this effortlessly. First, let's talk about what you need to do before you join a meeting. Once you've clicked the link to join a Microsoft Teams meeting, you'll be taken to the pre-join screen. This screen serves as your preparation hub before officially entering the meeting space. On this screen, you'll notice a series of icons at the bottom. Among them, you'll find a microphone icon. If you're looking to mute yourself before entering the discussion, simply click on this icon. When you do this, it will change to a /microphone symbol, indicating that your mic is now muted. This is a great habit to develop, particularly if you're joining meetings from noisy environments. Now, suppose you're already in the meeting and you need to mute your microphone. Look towards the meeting control bar. This toolbar is usually either centered at the bottom of your screen or at the top, depending on your interface settings. Among the various icons, which include options to toggle video or share your screen, you'll again find the microphone icon. If you click it, you'll mute your microphone, and the icon will appear slashed. This slashed icon is your visual cue, confirming that you're no longer transmitting your audio to the other participants. If you need to speak again, click the icon once more to unmute yourself. This toggling ability not only helps in reducing interruptions, but also aids in maintaining a smooth and professional meeting environment. Muting your microphone not only helps you manage your presence in the meeting, but also demonstrates courtesy to other participants. It helps you minimize background noise, ensuring that the meeting flows without unnecessary disruption, which is often a concern, especially in larger virtual gatherings. Additionally, this can safeguard your privacy, preventing any accidental audio sharing that might occur from your surroundings. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your microphone settings before and during your Microsoft Teams meetings. It's a straightforward process that, with a bit of practice, will soon become second nature. Remember, confident control over these features contributes significantly to effective communication in remote meetings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.